Meet the Animals, Episode 39, Sea Otter. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a sea otter. Sea otters are a type of weasel.
Where do you live?
Sea otters live in the Pacific Ocean. We live in North America and Asia.
Do you ever go on land?
Sea otters go on land to rest sometimes. But we mostly stay in the water. We even sleep in the water.
How do you do that?
We float on our backs. Sometimes we sleep wrapped in kelp. The kelp keeps us from drifting away.
What do you eat?
Sea otters eat fish and octopuses. We also like crabs and clams. We use rocks to break them open.
Your fur looks thick.
Our fur is very thick. It's also waterproof. Our fur keeps us warm and dry.
Do you have any enemies?
Killer whales and sharks sometimes eat us. Our webbed feet help us swim away fast. I'll see you later. I need to clean my fur now.
Goodbye, Sea Otter!
Little Fox.